kind of ad campaigns should law firms be running in order to bring high quality clients into their law firms on autopilot? I'm Nakia Gray. I'm the creator and founder of Make It Rain Online. And in this video, I am going to share with you how we at the Make It Rain Online law firm marketing agency turn our clients' social media into a salesperson that works for them 24/7. There are four types of ad campaigns that we run on behalf of our law firm clients. You can totally do this for yourself if you are familiar with how to run ads on social media. Okay, so the first type of campaign is what we call an awareness campaign. In this campaign, we're just introducing ourselves to the potential clients. So we are letting them know who you are, what you do, where you're located, maybe a little bit more information about you. So think about when you go to, let's just say, a department store. Let's say you go to Macy's. When you first go into Macy's, there's a salesperson usually that's going to greet you at the door. That's going to say, "Hi, welcome to Macy's." They're not trying to sell you anything right away, right? They're going to just get to know you, ask you how your day is. Is there anything that you're looking for? So the awareness campaign acts as that person, that salesperson. They are the greeter within the store. Okay. Number two, our second type of campaign is going to be a booked consultation campaign. This is where we have gotten to know them, they've gotten to know us. We kind of are like, we're dating a little bit here, right? We are in a relationship with you. We have sent you some valuable information. Now we want to invite you to book a consultation. That type of campaign works great. There are some times that you can skip number one and go straight to number two. You'll get some, right? But you are going to get a much higher return on your investment if you have done one first, right? So that is where that salesperson kind of, has greeted you. They walk away, they leave you alone. And then they come back and say, maybe they are going to say, there's something that you said to them about, I've got a party coming up, or it's my kid's graduation. So now they're going to come back and say, hey, we have some really nice graduation or, wedding dresses or whatever it is that you're looking for. They're now going to come back and say, I want to invite you to take a look at this and see if this is something that you would want. They're making an offer. Okay. So that's the second type of campaign that we're going to run. The third type of campaign that we're going to run is what we call a retargeting campaign. After the client has booked a call, they're on your calendar, we're now going to send them some other ads and some other content that is going to warm them up for this consultation. We are going to let them know that by the time they get to that consultation, they're like, here is my credit card. I need you, right? And so that is the goal. While you are in court or you're on vacation or you're with your kids or you're getting a mani-pedi, whatever it is that you want to do, these ads are working for you around the clock, not just in, the 9 to 5 window or whatever your firm's office hours are. These ads are working constantly. So after that person has booked the consult, we are now going to send them possibly some testimonials or some things that are going to show them that absolutely you are the one, right? So think about if you were to leave the store and maybe you signed up for to receive something, and now you're going to get some additional emails. Or if you've ever done any shopping online, you know that this happens where you put it in your cart. You're going to buy it, but you haven't made the final decision to make the purchase yet. You're going to be retargeted with some ads saying, hey, you forgot something. Don't you want this? Right. So that's the purpose of those campaigns. Really, I like to call that within our company, we use the term foreplay for that phase of the campaign. Right. We are warming them up and getting them ready for the big thing, which is the actual consultation. Then after that, we are going to do a fourth type of campaign, which is nurture. And that is where we are going to continue to be in relationships. So we're going to continue to send value-based content, possibly sending them your firm's newsletter, making sure that you are continuing to foster that relationship. Why? Because it's not just about that one sale or getting that one client. Also, not every client, depending on your practice area, not everyone has a legal need or desire to hire an attorney today. So we are also going to build that relationship up. And that's really what we're doing in all four of these campaigns. And the reason is because, a lot of traditional marketing agencies, and trust me, I have had my share, I have spent tens of thousands of dollars, using different agencies. And I could never really find the right fit to do it exactly right. But what a lot of agencies do is they focus on, so let's just say out of 100 people, 1 to 2 people are looking for an attorney right now, and they're ready to hire right now. Okay. And depending on your practice area, right? Some practice areas, there is a sense of urgency. If they're looking for an attorney, they need an attorney right now. So that percentage could vary depending. So most marketing agencies are spending your hard-earned dollars trying to find those 1 to 2 people, and they're not doing anything about the other 97 or 98 people. What we're doing is we are actually with these 4 campaigns, we're focusing on all 100, right? It's like, okay, so we're going to take this 98 and we're going to run them through these other campaigns. They're going to get 1, 2, and 4. And the 1 to 2 people, we're going to start them with 1, 2, 3, and 4, but we're not just going to only focus on them, right? And so that is going to give you a much larger return. And it also just gives you a pipeline of people to work with, right? Because a lot of times, and I have seen this in my own practice, where people have been following me, they've been in relationship with me, and so to use our Macy's example, they've been walking around the store for a while, and they come back and find me to say, I'm ready now, right? But if you just operate your store and think of your law firm as such, and they come in the door, no one says anything to them, or they say to them, are you ready to hire a lawyer right now? No? Okay, bye, and just walk away. What's the likelihood that when they are ready, that they're going to come back to that same store? Probably not, right? So that is why I recommend that every law firm have all 4 of these campaigns going at the same time, so that you are capturing the people that need you right now, that are ready to pay right now, and you're also nurturing and building awareness for the people who aren't quite ready right now, but may become ready in the future. The other part about that is that those people are also much more likely to tell someone else about you who might need you right now. Okay. So making sure that you have all 4 of these campaigns are just chef's kiss. It's golden. It is going to keep your calendar booked and busy, and really allow you, after you do this for, I would say at least maybe 2 months. After we have done this for 2 months, we'll have a very good idea on the data. We'll be able to look to see how many clients can you expect, how many people, how many consults, and all of those things. And you can make business decisions based on that. You will know whether or not you need to hire another paralegal or an attorney. You will be able to take a vacation and not worry about money, not worry about not signing up any clients. So, because we will have this salesperson called Facebook and Instagram ads working on your behalf while you are asleep, in court, on vacation, or wherever. Okay. So if this sounds like something that you would like some help with, I invite you to go to the link in our bio, book a call with us. It's no obligation. It's totally complimentary. See if this is something that you could implement in your law firm. I promise you, it will change the game. Okay. I hope that you found this video to be helpful. If you are not following me, please make sure that you are following. Bye.